Hello, and welcome to Magic Hair Company. I am Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, located in Culver City, California. We are a U.S.-based Glueless wig store. We are located here. Our current hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Use the chat feature on our website to book an appointment. We do prefer that you book an appointment right now. All of these wigs and hundreds of more can be found at magichaircompany.com. All of our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com and here inside of our wig store in Culver City. So if you get wigs from anywhere else and they're not from magichaircompany.com or our Culver City store, no, it's not from us and you're not getting the best. Also, check out our hair care maintenance product line available in store and online. This is exactly what you need, ladies and gentlemen, to maintain your wigs and extensions right here. Okay, so as usual, currently we're open Tuesday through Saturday, and we prefer that you make an appointment. You can make an appointment utilizing the chat feature on our website. Let's go through some of these beautiful wigs that we have here. We have our kinky straight. This is unit number 680. Actually, this is a gap straight. And we're going to try to utilize this new feature on Facebook where we can, I think you'll be able to shop during the live. So let us know how that works. And bear with us, guys, because we are going to try to individually put in some of the unit numbers. This is unit number 645. So some might be there, some might only be available in store. If there's something that you want that is not available with the shop button, just send us a message and we'll definitely take care of you. Because we have so many units going in and out, sometimes they're available on there, sometimes they're not. This is unit number 550. This is one of our beautiful braided units. And this is another unit that we just custom colored here because you guys know we do custom coloring here at Magic Hair Company. We do include styling, bangs, layers, anything like that. And taking a look at my mask, ladies and gentlemen, my mask is from Stair Fashion. I will go ahead and tag them below. So if you want a lovely mask like this with some bling bling on it and also some hot accessories, go ahead and check out Stair Fashion. This is another cute 10-inch wavy. This is unit number 344. And if you're not subscribed to our newsletter, you missed that we are currently having a 20% off sale on all of our wigs available at magichaircompany.com. That is our one and only sale that we're having right now. This is a nice, cute, natural bang. And check out the subtle color and how natural the part is around the hairline and around the, what's this called? The crown part. Let us know if you guys have any questions. We're definitely here to assist you. Once again, if you guys have any of our curly or wavy textures, the perfect thing to use is our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. Just utilize this with a little bit of water and brush that through your curls or waves, and it will get your hair nice and freshly styled. This is another cute new unit. It might not be on the website yet. This is unit number 693. So this is available here in our Culver City, California store, and it will be available on the website soon. It's a 16-inch custom colored silky straight. So if you're interested in unit number 693, it's obviously not going to come up in the shop button right now, but just send us a message and we will take care of that for you. And as usual, with shopping with us, some of our units we only have 1 or 2 of, maybe 3. Our supplies are very limited, so if there's something that you like, add it to your shopping cart. And we currently have free domestic shipping, so anywhere in the US, we have free shipping. We do expedited international shipping, which takes approximately a week. And then we also have free in-store pickup. This is unit number
477.
477. It's a cute 10-inch with some color. So if you like something like this, it is, we just said the unit number over there. So this is unit number 508, a 22-inch wavy jet black. And if there's anything that you like that you would like us to alter the color on, we can definitely make those accommodations here in store.
How do you make an appointment to come into store?
How do you make an appointment to come shop with us in store? Go to our website, magichaircompany.com, and a chat box will pop up and request an appointment. We're currently taking appointments Tuesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. So just let us know that you want to make an appointment, and somebody will get back to you within minutes usually. So go over to magichaircompany.com to set up an appointment to come inside of our Culver City store. Or we can also try to accommodate a virtual appointment so you don't have to come in. And then we have no contact pickup available. This is a 16-inch copper silky straight, and we just added a curl down here at the bottom. So this is silky straight, and we just added a slight curl. We will gladly style, add bangs, or add any layers into any of our units for you. And yeah, let us know exactly what we can do to get you the perfect unit you've been looking for. So as you can see, there is lace on the front of our wigs here because we have front lace and full lace wigs. We will gladly cut this off for you. Whether you place your order online or in store, we will cut that lace for you, and then it's ready to wear. That's it. That's all you have to do. So this is the hairline here. We'll cut that lace for you. You can pull the baby hair out. We'll cut the lace for you right here. And there you go. It's ready to wear. That's why our wigs are glueless. So although we can sew them or glue them down, they are designed to be glueless. So this is another one of our 14-inch bobs that we did a custom brown highlight in. Once again, we can really customize the color on your unit for you almost any way that you can imagine. So if you want to take a screenshot of a color request, send that into us, and that is how we will be able to try to duplicate the color request that you have for you. We have an in-store, world-renowned colorist, and she does the most amazing color ever. So when I tell you we have the best colorists here at Magic Hair Company, believe me, you see how beautiful these wigs are, you see the beautiful quality, you know that our wigs last. It's because we have an amazing colorist here on staff coloring all of these wigs here in store. So that's why we can accommodate your custom color request. This is a 14-inch curly that, you know, you guys see we just added a little something here. So this is unit number 647. Again, if you like any of these units here, go over to magichaircompany.com and go over to magichaircompany.com and put in that unit number, and that's where you will find more information on any of the wigs that you see here today. We have 8 different textures available, and yes, we can customize the color on any of the wigs that you see here. This is unit number 410. It is a full lace, 12-inch kinky straight. So with our full lace units, you can part it anywhere. So it gives you a lot of freedom and styling, and you can do a half up, half down. You can crisscross this. You can make this part anywhere you want. This is the best scalp realness you will get. So this is what makes the difference with wigs from Magic Hair Company and wigs from elsewhere. We have been here in Culver City for a little over 8 years, and we take a lot of time and attention to the details of our wigs and hairlines, as you can see here. This wig is going to give you, you can make a part from ear to ear any way you want. And to style this beautiful texture, our kinky curly texture, our deep body wave texture, our curly textures, just use our hydrating curl definer and amplifier available at magichaircompany.com. And secret, if you guys are paying attention right now, it's also 20% off right now. Everything in your shopping cart is 20% off. Usually our hair care product line does not go on sale, but you know, I'm doing a little something to, you know, I want everybody to style their wigs at home, or you can bring it into us and we'll definitely take care of that maintenance for you. This is unit number 217. I know this one is on the website, so go on over, add this to your shopping cart. Free domestic shipping. We have quad pay available. We do custom color. Check out this beautiful aqua teal color. So you're not afraid to play with color and you want soft color. You see how this is moving and it still looks very natural and beautiful? Shop with us and get a quality wig. It makes a difference in the quality of hair, the cap construction, all of those things when buying a wig. So this is our beautiful Yaki straight. This is unit number 577, custom colored, 16 inches, available at magichaircompany.com. And we have a few others. This one, it's not ready yet. It's actually a custom order for one of our in-store clients. So it doesn't have a unit number. We did a little bit of styling in the front, as you guys can see here. We did a little bit of color in the back. Let you guys zoom in on that real quick. And yeah, so this is one of our units available here in store. So if you want to come in and have a custom color consultation, we really can create a custom wig for you today. Let me just show you guys a couple more. Let us know if you guys have any questions. We're only going to be on here for just a couple more minutes today. Again, if you're just tuning in, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. Click the link in the bio. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us. You don't want to miss any of our posts. We are located here in Culver City, California, USA. That is the only place you can get wigs from Magic Hair Company, here in our Culver City store or at magichaircompany.com. This is unit number 529, a 24-inch silky straight. Over here we have unit number 609, which is one of our wigs in our braided collection. It has these beautiful twists, so if you want some twists or braids, go on over and check out our braided wig collection. And I'll briefly go over some of these wigs over here, but they are all available in our featured wig section. So it's just giving you an idea of kind of the different color that we can do, the different textures, the different styles. We really can custom make a full lace or front lace wig for you. This is one of our really popular deep body waves.
620.
This is unit number 620. We only have one available of these right now, so if you like this one, like I said, we only have one. It's available at magichaircompany.com and 20% off. We have some silky straight. We have some jet black. We have quality human hair, full lace, and front lace wigs. All of our wigs, ladies and gentlemen, are available at magichaircompany.com. We are your Glueless, full lace, and front lace wig supplier located here in Culver City, California. We are your US-based wig store. All right, guys, we have to go. The phones are ringing. Check us out at magichaircompany.com where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you soon. Bye.